welcome to IIJS Virtual Second Edition powered by GIA. And we have the man who has created this entire IIJS platform. So please welcome Shailesh Sanghani, convener of IIJS, and the guy who has created so many different platforms for our industry for last 25 to 30 years. So Shailesh bhai, welcome.
Thank you, Samit. It's always a pleasure to be on Retail Jeweler platform and your new YouTube channel. So thank you for having me over here.
Thank you, Shailesh bhai. So Shailesh bhai, what is the newness which you have brought to IIJS? If you could please share with our viewers.
When we did the first IIJS virtual, that time I realized that, this is like a dream world. Whatever you can think of, you can actually create it in virtual. I mean, in physical shows, we are so much restricted with so many different rules and government formations, but in virtual, it is like dream. Whatever you can think of, whatever you can dream of, you can do it on virtual. So as a exhibitor organizer, we had always this thing. We even attempted a couple of times. We wanted to have a show on the beach, on a waterfront, and it would be an excellent thing to see something on a beach. I mean, have a stall on a beach and sand in the bottom, sun on top, nice shade, and you're like a shack and enjoying. So I wish we could do that, something like that. But we have never been able to do something like that in physical show because of various restrictions, theft, this, that, so many things are there in your mind. So this time around, we said, why not we do something like this in virtual? So I'm going to take you through this film that we have created, which is absolutely sea, blue sky, turquoise blue water, greenery, sand. You are going to see so many different things in the film. I'll take you to the film. So this is like an avatar, thing, so that how you can think the Avatar, the movie, this is something like that. We have created, a very different kind of show. So of course it's virtual, so everything is possible. And I think everybody, at least I like it very much. And how many other people so far I have spoken to have loved this thing. And so this is your show. It's the first time that I'm making a presentation of this virtual film.
Thank you, Shailesh bhai. This is really awesome. One feels either he is in Goa or Maldives or Dubai. Very international, beautiful. This is, I'm sure everybody will be awestruck, by this entire new look and feel of IIJS Virtual. So there are a lot of things, Shailesh bhai, which you have created now with new features, taking learnings from the first edition. So if you can take our viewers through what are the new elements in IIJS Virtual Second Edition?
When we did the first edition, there was a lot of quickness in there, a lot of hurriness in there, what we did. And then we forgot few things, we made some mistakes. So all those things, and of course, our participants and our visitors, they have given us a lot of comments. So whatever we could capture, we have captured in the second show. And wherever we have not done something right, we have done it right this time around. So I will take you through a small slide presentation. So bear with me on that. Just give me a second and I will take you there. So the most important feature that we have put this time around is the search engine. So last year, if you remember, we had two different kinds of search engines. One search engine that you could search any company by its name, who is participating in the show, and the second search engine was by the product category and the product type. So when I say product category, I mean is that if you're looking for gold jewelry, so if you should say gold jewelry, and then the next question they would ask you is what are you looking for? So you say harem or half sets or bangles and things like that. So the product would come up, and then the search engine would complete, and then they will take you to whatever products you are looking for. Last time we were requested, and again this time around also we were requested to have something which is called as very common word, keyword or hashtag. So this time around we have added a third search engine in the system, which is set around hashtag keyword. So we have this hashtag keyword added into this feature, and you will now be able to search through hashtag keywords also. So I'll give you an example. So if you just write, say, Calcutta jewelry, okay, so you write Calcutta with a K or you write Calcutta with a C, both will show up.
Okay.
And if you write Calcutta jewelry, so whoever is dealing or whoever has marked themselves dealing in Calcutta jewelry will show up. It's the same way you write Rajkot jewelry, it will show up, or say Indo-Italian jewelry, it will show up. So we have now, I presume by the time we finish putting all the keywords in, somewhere around about a couple of hundred keywords in place.
Wow.
Okay, so as soon as you start typing, it will show you, you write K and then Calcutta will show up, kind of a thing, KO, you write it. So it works like that. You don't have to type the whole thing.
Okay.
It will, it will work that way. So this is the most important feature, according to me, that we have added this year, is that we have now 3 kind of search engines. One is by company name, one is by product type and product category, and the next is by hashtag keywords.
Okay.
Okay. This is the most important feature that we have got. The second feature that we have got is that there was a huge demand that we should have chat in the during the conferences, during anything, chat should be around. So whoever, if you come to my booth to see my booth, you can always open up the chat and put up a chat. If I'm around, I will answer your question. If not, I can always answer your question. So chat is on one-to-one basis. So right now, you and me, if you are on this platform, we could chat with each other by writing something down on the thing. So if you see on the right-hand side corner, there is this red button with the chat, or the green arrow and the red button. So a chat will pop up like this.
Okay.
So this chat is starting from the very first day, and the chat will be also there during the show also. So when you are having your meetings, the chat will be there. If you want to make your notes, if you want to say something, if you want to, make notes of as a buyer or as a seller, both you all can make notes over there, and the notes stays with you. Okay, so that is the most important. That it stays with you. Okay, and I'll show you also how it stays with you. So the next feature after that we have got is that, if you remember that we were showing 25 products of each company needs to be shown to every single visitor. Yes. And then if they want to see more, then they have to ask for more images.
Yes.
Okay, and then if the company authorizes, then only they will get the more image. Okay. So we have got a button saying more image on the right hand side.
Okay.
And now, but a lot of people know they were not using this thumbnails to see the pictures. So what were they using is this on the left hand side, if you see a black dot with a arrow. Yes. So people are actually using the picture to see through that left arrow and right arrow.
Okay.
And then once the 25 pictures were finished, then there is a blank screen in the previous. So what we have done is the 26th slide is this slide what you are seeing just now. Are you interested in viewing more products, more images? You click here. Okay, so a lot of people did not use the feature on the right hand side. Okay, so now we have brought also one right there. After your 25 images are over, this 26, this image will show up. Are you interested in viewing more products, more images? Click here.
Okay, understood.
So this is one more thing that we have done.
Okay.
Then there was a lot of complaint that the products are looking too small. We are not getting the finer details of it, this, that. So we said, okay, understood. So now we have got a magnifying glass on top of that. So you need to magnify the product. You bring in the magnifying glass, then you will be able to magnify the product.
Oh, lovely.
Okay, so what you see over here in front of you is this orange circle. That is the magnifying glass.
Yes. And this will be for all products, right? In the more images, also everything.
Yeah. It will. Yeah, it is there for more images and everything. So it is there around. So this is one more additional feature. Then This is a feature which was there that this is a screen when you are talking, 4 people can come on the screen. There can be 2 people also. So last time what we had done, no, that the screens were divided in half. Half was product and half was the people.
Okay.
So this we had a lot of complaint that the people are too small. We don't need such a big product sign. We should have an option to bring to see the product or not to see the product. So what we have done is, if you see on the right hand side, the blue color, one is the chat box sign and one is the product sign. Okay, so if you press the chat box sign, the chat box will open up. Okay, I mean this is okay. This is also, sorry, I missed one thing. And this is that if you are a single if I am the seller, then I can become like the big screen guy and I can show my products over there. And the buyers can become small. They don't need to become so large because they are only seeing.
Okay.
Okay, but at the same time, if you want to do any chatting or something like that, the chat box will open up. See now, all the 4 screens have opened up. The screen is divided into half and the chat box is open up. Hello, welcome to RK Jewelry. Ask me anything and I will try to answer your query. So over there, whatever you want to type, you want to make your own notes, this, that, whatever the customer is saying, you say that thing and you can close the chat box and the chat box will close. But if you also want to see the 25 products or more products, you can bring the products over here and you can see the products. You are done with the products, they can go back and it will come back to this screen again.
Okay.
You can come back over here.
Okay, very nice.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the 2 features that we have added, the chat box and the larger screen.
Okay.
Now what we have got is, if you are a buyer, we have created a digital organizer for you. So how many ever meetings you are doing?
Yes.
Okay, all your notes are put over there. Okay. Your chat history is also put over there. So all your files, whatever you are doing, is there with you as a buyer.
Okay.
Okay. Seller already has got his thing.
Yes.
We have done this thing for the buyer.
Very interesting.
Yes. So if you are a buyer with me, and whatever instructions you are giving me, whatever chat you are, I'm putting that, you are putting that down on the chat. So this is a proof for you that I have given you this instruction. I've told you I need the order by this date. Everything is there in the chat.
So both buyer and seller has a copy of the entire chat and all the files and the short list of the pieces and everything.
Yes.
Very nice.
Okay. So last time around, there was a lot of this issue that people had said that the names are very small. So like Anmol Swan India or MR Parmar or Orna Jewels is too small. We need it big. So what we have done, that when you move your mouse,
yes,
a balloon will pop up. And that balloon will tell you that, okay, this company is MR Parmar, and it will give you a small synopsis of the company. There, right there, kind of a thing.
Okay.
You have done so many of this. I have also done so many of this, during the lockdown period, we have done so many of webinars and seminars and, all those things are continuously on when we are sitting in the house.
Yes.
So I think webinars are good. I have done a lot of them myself. Yes. But they are like one-way street.
Yes.
In the sense that somebody is talking and you are listening.
Yes.
There is no interaction. So what we have done this time around is, instead of having webinar series, we are going to get 5 different personalities, one every day. We're going to put that personality out there for a couple of hours.
Yes.
Whatever questions you have, you put it on the chat and you are checking with her directly. So say for example, I am the personality. Okay, yes. And you are here, so you can ask me a question that, okay, Shailesh bhai, if I want to produce 300 pieces of jewelry every single day, what kind of manpower do I require to produce 300 pieces of jewelry?
Yes.
Okay, so because I'm a manufacturer, so I'm putting a question like that. I can answer this live to you, or I will answer it back to you on a chat. Okay, so talking directly to the person asking your questions, and the person is answering your questions if he's able to answer your question. Okay, so that is one more feature that we are putting this time. A different thing we are doing this time. It's not a feature, but it is, instead of webinars, which we did last time, we are going to do a question answer session.
Oh, lovely.
No gyan.
Understood.
You have a problem, you tell me a problem, I'll try to help you.
Okay.
No gyan giving.
Oh, very nice. And it is straight on the chat, immediately.
Immediately on the chat. The other person is there on the chat with you. So this is the new features that we have done. There is one more feature which is not over here, but and last time around, a lot of people had this challenge is that people were setting up appointments, but they could not kind of remember, or they forget, or things like that, or something popped up. So this time around, whenever you set up an appointment, you are going to get a WhatsApp on your phone that you have set up an appointment with Priority Jewels, okay, for Monday at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
And then on Monday, the day that you are supposed to be having your appointment, in the morning you will get a reminder. Okay, sir, today you have these 3 appointments. At 3 o'clock you have Priority, at 2 o'clock you have Kama, at 4 o'clock you have another company. Okay, and that way you will get a full reminder of your calendar for the day, every day in the morning for the 5 days of the show. So this is one more additional feature that we have added this time. Then the next feature, one more feature is this, that last year we had meetings all from 1 hour compulsory. So a lot of people said that maybe we are wasting time, 1 hour is too much, cut down the time. Or some people said 1 hour is too less, increase the time. So we had to play both the ways. So what we have done this time around, we have kept the meetings for half an hour.
Okay.
And if you want to extend the meeting, we have given you a meeting extending button. Okay. You press that button and the meeting will get extended if and only if there is no other meeting slot already pre-booked. Okay. If there is a meeting slot pre-booked, you will not be able to extend your meeting.
Okay.
But if you have a slot empty, the next half an hour is empty, you can just by pressing one single button, your meeting is automatically extended. Oh, so let's say you and I are slotted for 3 and 3:30. At 3:25, we realize that, we are not going to finish our meeting. So I can, if my next slot is empty, from 3:30 to 4 is empty, I can press that button and automatically for half an hour, your meeting is extended.
Oh, very nice. Very good.
Okay.
Very nice. Okay.
So this is additional feature, and we have cut down the time to 30-minute slot. So that now it is going to be 30-minute slot meetings and extendable hour.
Perfect. Very nice. Which means also there'll be more meetings now.
Yeah. More meetings extended meetings can be done.
Yeah. Oh, very nice.
Okay. So this is something that we have also put in this time. So these are the kind of features that we have done. And it's very easy.
Those are very, very nice and innovative features and taken from learnings from edition 1. So I'm sure they'll be really appreciated and people will really know about all this. So we will also now start talking about it. So Shailesh bhai, now this is the show in January, which is going to take care of the next 3 to 4 months, and people are really expecting a lot of things from this show. What is your advice to the retailers for the show?
My advice to the retailer is this, that according to me, every single retailer should be coming to the show. See, there is no compulsion of buying. You are not paying any money to come to the show. The show is free for every visitor. So you are not losing anything by coming into the show. All you are going to see is new features, newness. Everybody works very hard to create newness for the season. Little small wedding season is opened up after 15th of January. So there is going to be some weddings happening during that time also. This is the only way that business can be conducted. There is no other way business can be conducted. There is not going to be any physical shows happening for some time yet. Okay? And we don't know this new coronavirus structure which is happening in England, how this is going to play out. So if it plays out any adverse, then so we are going to get stuck for a longer time. So this virtual is the best platform, and this is backed by IIJS is IIJS, and we put a lot of effort into building this IIJS platform. So people should come and see what we are doing.
There's one more thought, Shailesh bhai, and you are a master at this. 35-40 years back, you created the Valentine's Day and the diamonds for Valentine with Jilly. So there is a thought that कि अभी ये जो पूरे वायरस के लिए ना, कोरोना वायरस के लिए पूरे देश में एक प्यार, मोहब्बत, फैमिली लाइफ and also with friends, and your love for your parents and children have really grown. People have really come together as a society, and इंसानियत के लिए भी काफी प्यार मोहब्बत बढ़ गया. So Valentine's Day may be a big occasion now for February month, and there could be a lot of diamond gifting, because that is the ultimate symbol of love. तो ऐसा कुछ नयापन है जिसमें आप देख रहे हैं कि डायमंड ज्वेलरी के लिए मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को कुछ आप एडवाइस देंगे कि क्या करना चाहिए, इवन रिटेलर्स को?
आई एम वेरी श्योर दैट लॉट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैव वर्कड वेरी हार्ड टू क्रिएट न्यू लाइन्स. यू आर गोइंग टू सी लॉट ऑफ न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स. Feature as far as the events are concerned, there are a lot of events which are coming up. So I am very sure that the retailers are also looking for opportunities to market more. So this is going to it is going to work out, and there is lot to be done over here going forward.
Thank you, Shailesh bhai. There is a lot of good preparation work happening from both manufacturers as well as retailers, and people are really looking forward to this IIJ second edition. And all the best to you and to your team. You are doing very, very good job. If you want to tell us something else, ending note.
My ending note is only very simple, that there are a lot of people who have put a lot of effort to do this virtual show, IIJ's virtual show. Large team is deployed behind this, and everybody knows that council is always standing behind. For any kind of help, there are help numbers that we give out. So if anybody is having any kind of issues for registration purpose, or for participants who are having any issues in loading up their pictures or loading the details, the helpline number is open. Please call up. It's free, and we are there to help you out. So please feel free to call and ask for any kind of help. Let it be the smallest of the thing. We are there to help. Last time around, we had given them a fixed stall kind of a thing. That we had done 5-6 stalls and choose one. But then a lot of people came back to us, I don't like this color, I don't like that furniture, I don't like this thing, I don't like that thing. So what we have done is we have built something called as a stall builder. Okay, so we are giving you 5-6 paint colors. We are giving you we can do a stall out of marble or out of wood, out of granite. So there is lot of combinations that we are offering in the stall builder. So people can build their own stall, install their own picture. Whatever they want to do it by yourself. Okay, so that there is no complaint. That guy didn't do the right job, that guy didn't do the right job. So now we are giving to you, and we are there to help you. So if you don't understand something, we are there to help you. You don't know how to do it, we'll help you how to do it. You have to just choose. Okay, I like that. I like the magenta over blue, or I like this over that. So you can do it, and you will be able to do it. So I don't want to bore everybody over here who's watching your show how the stall builder works, but it is a very nice feature that we have built this time. There is one more additional feature which is not for everybody, it is only for the participants, but we have done something like that also for participants.
बहुत बढ़िया, this is very nice, Shailesh bhai. You have given much more power to both sides, both the participants, the exhibitors, as well as to the people who are visiting the show. So as Shailesh bhai is saying to all of us, that प्लीज आप अपना बूथ खुद बनाइए. आपका मार्बल का आपको चाहिए, या आपको लैमिनेट का चाहिए, या वॉल कलर अलग चाहिए, ब्रांडिंग अलग से चाहिए, अपना पोस्टर चाहिए, तो आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. और कुछ भी आपको हेल्प चाहिए, अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो फ्री टोल फ्री नंबर है जहाँ पे आप फोन कर सकते हैं, और सारा सपोर्ट आपको जीजेपीसी के जो पूरा ऑफिस है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर है, ये आपको देंगे. एंड फ्रॉम द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू ऑफ वन-on-one मीटिंग्स में भी काफी बेनिफिट्स है, लाइक एक्सटेंडिंग योर मीटिंग्स and 30 minutes meeting, so you can do more meetings. और आप अपने जो रिटेलर स्पेशली जो हमसे बात कर रहे हैं कुछ दिनों से कि हम तो चाहते हैं कि हमारे सारा स्टाफ अटेंड करे, तो प्लीज रजिस्टर एवरीबडी and do it fast, so that if there's any issues they face, they can call and find out the details, and they can GJPC will help in registering everybody. Okay, thank you very much, Shailesh bhai, for your time, and all the best for IIJ's virtual. The entire country and the entire world is watching us, and it's really creating the vision of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat to a reality. And it has grown from not only going much deeper into India, but also much deeper into the world. People are really happy that GJPC and India has taken this entire initiative, and I'm sure this will go a long, long way. Already people are saying कि यार अब तो हर 3 महीने में आप ये अनाउंस ही कर दो कि 4 IIJs virtual होने ही जा रहा है. So it's going to be a nice thing, every quarter they can stock up from IIJs virtual.